Survival situations can be unpredictable, and having reliable tools is crucial. While modern weapons have their place, primitive weapons offer unique advantages when resources are scarce. Today, we're diving into the value of primitive weapons for survival. Tools that have stood the test of time and can be the difference between life and death in an emergency. First up, let's talk about edged weapons. Knives, machetes, and axes. A sturdy, full-tang knife is a must-have, useful for everything from crafting tools to self-defense. A machete is great for clearing brush or chopping kindling, and in a pinch, it's a formidable weapon. An axe, while not ideal in combat, is excellent for heavy-duty tasks like cutting wood or smashing through obstacles. Next, we have the bow and arrow. It's silent, versatile, and arrows can be crafted from natural materials if you run out. It's excellent for hunting both small and large game. The bow's stealth and sustainability make it a top choice for survival scenarios. Have you heard of the atlatl? This ancient tool amplifies your throwing power, making a simple stick into a powerful projectile weapon. It's easy to make and can be extremely effective with practice, especially when resources are low. Another simple yet effective weapon is the sling, made from fabric and stones. The sling is incredibly portable and, with practice, can be deadly. It's also one of the easiest weapons to make on the go, requiring just a strip of cloth and a handful of rocks. Finally, learning to knap or shape stone tools can provide you with sharp edges when metal isn't available. From knives to spear points, being able to create your own tools from flint, obsidian, or even glass can ensure you're never without a cutting edge. Each of these primitive weapons has its advantages in a survival situation, offering durability, ease of use, and the ability to create more ammunition or replace tools when necessary. In a survival scenario, primitive weapons like knives, machetes, axes, bows, atlatls, slings, and knap tools can be lifesavers. They're durable, often easy to make or repair, and don't rely on modern technology or ammunition. Take the time to practice with these tools and learn how to craft them. Familiarize yourself with their uses and limitations to be fully prepared. Remember, in survival, it's not about having the best gear. It's about having the skills to use what you have effectively. Start honing your skills today and stay prepared for whatever comes your way.